When changing out your CPR mannequin lung, begin by removing the chest cover from the two snaps on either side of the chest and the two snaps on the shoulder. Fold back the chest cover. Remove the face. Completely remove the jaw from the head. This will allow you to remove completely the lung valve from the jaw. Remove the lung from the body and discard. Next, sterilize the CPR mannequin's face. Once your face is sterilized, it's time to put your mannequin back together. Begin by unwrapping your replacement lung. Unfold your lung on top of your mannequin so that the writing is on the top side. Attach the little probe at the end of the rib cage through the hole on the lung. Make sure it's laid out flat. Take the top valve of your lung, connect it appropriately into the bracket on the jaw. Make sure the little notch goes into the hole. Place your jaw back into your mannequin. When we replace the face, we want to kind of turn it inside out. Take the valve part of the face, place it firmly on the valve part of the lung that you've attached to the jaw. Fold your face securely over the face of the mannequin, securing it on the sides. Take your chest cover, fold it back over your mannequin, reattach the side snaps and the shoulder snaps. Ready to do some CPR.